Welcome everybody. I'm just doing a few quick videos on I was experimenting in my studio. There's the thumbs up off Jilly because I'm doing the voiceover. I'm just doing some quick experiments this week, probably videos under 15 minutes. I was experimenting and I usually don't always leave the camera on while experimenting, and I get some fantastic results. As I have done with these last 3 videos that I've done today, I got some wonderful results and I wasn't talking, I was just in the zone painting. So this is a little swipe plus some embellishment with, I just will let you see actually, so I'll let you just watch the video and enjoy just with a little bit of music. So I hope you enjoy these non-talky ones all the way through, every now and again, so please enjoy. video that I did. Just yeah, enjoyed that. We had loads of tropical colours on, turning out beautifully, and just was a joy to do actually. Look at those balloon dips there. I didn't want to use too many of them on the canvas, but it was fun to do. I do hope you enjoyed it. So please join me again tomorrow, as I have a video out every single day. So if you haven't subscribed, hit the notification button and stay safe, people. Until tomorrow, bye for now. Wait on for the photos.